I can't take. And we're looking for by this lottery, Anna. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mr. July 31st. Actually today we are in Wonderwoods Camping, so which is located nearby Munnar. So from Munnar, so we will reach at I think 10 to 12 kilometer. I will mention this location in my this video description. So if you want to, if you are looking in stay in Munnar, so please check it out in Wonderwoods Camping. So this is amazing. I will add more clips about this Wonderwoods Camping in this video. Also, I already post in my Instagram video. So how are you, bro? Okay, bro. So actually, he is the manager of this Wonderwoods Camping. So this is located, I already told you, Munnar. So this is the dining area and reception area. We can say reception area and everything. So this is the place, and this is one of restroom. So we can use the restroom. So if you're going here, so you will see that that Wonderwoods Camping stay. So they have a 7 tent stay camp. So I add in my video. Okay, so you will see. Okay, let's leave from this place. So if you still not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this bike we tied our luggage, 3% luggage. So in this bike we going with plain ride. So totally we come 3%, and we going now Munnar and have a breakfast or a tea coffee snacks. Then we will go Mariyur and will reach home. So I will continue on the way. So let's go. Okay guys, actually we are leaving this place. Bro, bye bro. So this is the kitchen area. See, fully covered with. Wow, it's amazing. And also I'll show you that where we stayed at yesterday night. Okay, move. Low fuel, it's showing low fuel indication. Bye now. Wow. Adventure bike always going in off-road or on-road or whatever, it's going smooth. Because I like this handlebar position and our sitting position. We don't feel any back pain or butt pain or nothing. First we going to tea shop. We didn't have anything, breakfast, nothing. Wow, we are in hills middle. I saw one place on Instagram. It's amazing place and wonderful view from hills, the mountain ending. I asked one person. He says that place from this place 40 kilometer. Actually we don't have a fuel in our bike, so that's why we don't go there. We're going now Munnar hill station. Wow. Amazing ride, amazing road. Actually in this bike Ravener has put this Maxis tire. It's good. When I cornering, it's not slippery. Bike come under control. Wow. Actually, we're going to change that bike tire. So actually, we before look, you know, that Midgilla tire. It was the stock tire in that bike, but in this bike we has put, you know, that Maxxis tire. So that's why we planning to. Why these people going in center middle road? Couples. So Maxxis tire. So that's why we are planning to put that bike also Maxxis tire. It's good. So we reached almost Munnar. So this is the Munnar view. If you see, you can able to see everywhere coffee tea plant and hills view. Oh, beautiful scenery. Okay, I can't take. This is the problem in weekend. If you are coming in weekend, you will face this issue. Oh. Hey, reverse வந்துட்டானா முடிஞ்சிரா. ஆமா. ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா? இல்ல ரிவர்ஸ் வந்துச்சுனா பஸ் முட்டிக்கு. ரிவர்ஸ் வா. கால வச்சிலே. வா வா. இல்ல. ஓகே. உட்காண்டியா? Oh my god. If you are coming, oh inga da irukkaru. If you are coming weekend, so you will face this type of traffic issue in Munnar, Ooty, Kodaikanal, wherever you going. Because in weekend now people are going you know, tourist places like these places, hill station, because it's the summer time. So the people want, you know, the chillness, cooling climate. Came for you know, the Munnar market. So this is Munnar market. So we came for purchase something, bro. What we purchase, bro? We purchased masala tool and the coffee tool, and we looking for buy this lottery, you know. Anna, guys, actually we living from Munnar. So this is HP petrol bunk station, which is located in Munnar. Oh, slow. Got a puncture in our KTM Adventure 390 rally. Bro, come back, bro. Okay, bro. Go front a little bit. See this, guys, we got a steel something inside vent tire. And also another problem, we record so many videos in Insta360, but what we did, we didn't forget to take this, so we recorded with this and no footage. We have a footage, but fully black footage. Oh my god, bro, idukulla potrum, bro. I'm going to put this Insta360 cover in water bag cover. Okay, let's go. Ama, you know this rally bike. So in our rally bike, so we got a puncture. See, something inside. I think the steel pin got a puncture. the air fully gone. We are in hills down, so I was in pillion that bike. I was asleep. Such a worst pain, back pain. Seriously, in 390 adventure, the pillion seat worst. Oh my god. Now it's amazing. I can't control that pain, back pain. Such a worst. No more I didn't sit in 390 adventure or any bike for long ride. I can go in my bike. Oh my god. Front of me one ambulance going, so it's not a normal ambulance. Okay, it's not a normal ambulance. It's not a normal ambulance. It's mobile ICU, intentional care unit. I think patient shifting one hospital to another hospital. Floki. Floki went fast. So we came for fill fuel because it's showing low fuel indication. I'm going to end this video. So we going now, we are in Pallaram. So Pallaram to our home nearby Avinashi. Not our home, Floki's home. So I don't know, compared to that bike to this bike, it's very smooth, this bike, like suspension wise. Engine wise, that bike smooth. I don't know. Today this bike mileage, it's go around per liter, 30 km per liter for this ride. Really, it's good mileage for KTM 390 adventure rally. And also we went off-road and road, highway, bumpy road, everywhere. Even it's gave 30 km per liter. Nice mileage. KTM adventure bike. Someone calling to me. I don't know who's that.